How you all doing? My name's Cory Weck. I'm a partner here at McCune Law Group. I handle the personal injury division. But I'm also a retired Marine Corps officer. I retired in the Marine Corps after 23 years between active duty and active reserve times. I've deployed all over the world, but I'm here to celebrate the memory of all my fellow Marines, soldiers, sailors, and airmen that have gone before me. I'm a Marine who practices law. The fact of the matter is I was born to be a Marine. I love being a Marine. I'm still a Marine. What I went through as an officer, and more particularly as a Marine, impacts my job here. Is we look at it much like the Marine Corps in terms of mission accomplishment. We're here about getting the mission accomplished for our clients. We don't necessarily employ the same motivational strategies as the Marine Corps likes to employ with some of our Marines. I'm not making my staff get up at 5 in the morning and go PT, do up downs and hello dollies for those who actually remember what those are. A lot of the skill set that we develop or we learn within the Marine Corps or any kind of military service carries on in our daily life immensely. Memorial Day, to those of us that have worn the uniform, isn't a day of celebration so much as is a day of remembrance. Memorial Day is not for people like myself that served in uniform. That's what Veterans Day is for. Memorial Day is just to remember those that gave their life and sacrifice for our country. We don't have any real appreciation for what some of these individuals have gone through unless you've been closely connected with them. One of my good buddies, Mike Weston, Major Mike Weston, was killed in 2009 on his 3rd or 4th deployment in a combat zone. Mike was an outstanding officer and an outstanding American. And the fact that Mike was killed in combat is a tragedy that our country, unfortunately, will never appreciate fully what they lost in such a fine, outstanding citizen and officer. I would like to think that it's a day of remembrance. I do look at it as a day full of gratitude for those who've gone before me that allow me to sit here and talk to you all through this video.